is, ma'am, have access to the machine and so on students' speed, accuracy, and overall competence is kind of related task.
Ano na lang, stenography-related tasks.
Basta ano yung pag-edit mo?
Letter of stenography
On the related task of what if I'm gonna change ang title? How na siya independent? You have to read everything that I have stated in my research. You don't judge the book by its cover. I depend mga hati, di ka kayo panindigan. You have to read everything that I have. How to know ma'am? Malugin ka ba?
Okay naman. Kung ano lang yung gusto mo, binasa. Kung ano lang gusto ng performance, yan ka kanin.
It is, yes. No? Depend na ka. Depend na ka. Depend.
Pero di na, ma'am, basta academic performance as a whole.
As a whole. Yes. It is all about stenography task na matter, like, how accuracy, ano naman, no? So, di na change, ma'am. Good morning. We are the problems of the police.
Or the research problem.
Sige, go. Dito, para saan ano, no? Para na-ikot din pa, di ba? Okay, loaded.
Dugay mo man, minutes na ba yun?
Third year, because third year is the steno machine subject or the
Third year na may na,
is focused on third year gusto ko students only. Ma'am, depend yun eh. Dugay ka man. O sabi ka ito, mag-depend ako. Ito mo sa kudyo to.
Okay, so, yan na. Pag gawa mo possible questions, when you read your problem, may nag-questions yung pwede mo pa ang example pa rin nila ha. So, in performance in your sabon, is this the same as academic performance? You're the education students?
Objection, Your Honor. That's all. I did it over the
Performance is more on office tasks, like this.
Okay, kung makatulog yung hindi na napasiya ka ng mga talaga. Ano maka-open? Di na basiya ka na sa repermana o
Offensive.
offensive.
Ngayon ka, umingan nyo, I would like to clarify this na performance here relates to steno-related tasks. Like, sa mga steno-related tasks, Sunday speed, accuracy,
Kaya nga natin na pagtubag ka na pinasarcastic.
yung mga problema sa mga